Morgan. How are you today? I'm freaking fabtabulous. I just said fabtabulous.
Hey, Morgan!
Bro, we're having the best time of my freaking life right now. Like, I'm so hyper and I'm having, like, a blast. But how are you? Hopefully fantabulous. Because that's how amazing you are, that you have to be fantabulous all the time. Anyways, I love you. Like, I love you a lot. Like,
You're sounding I love you. Like, I love you a lot. Hey, Morgan.
Okay, like, see, I love you this much times 1,000. That is a lot. That's lesbo love. And we're gonna move to China and be lesbo lovers together. Mwah! I love you, pretty face. Bro, I feel like crying right now. I'm laughing so hard. Anyways, I'm singing. Anyways, I love you. Have a good night. Because you deserve to have a good night. Because you're gorgeous. You're gorgeous. You're freaking gorgeous. You're freaking beautiful. Anyways, sorry. Look, my feather. It broke. My feather broke. Look, it's like messed up. I'm going to leave it like this for the rest of the night. Alpha, alpha. Alpha, alpha. Justin Bieber. Oh, no, what's wrong? Oh, anyways, we're gonna move and get out of this place called Hamilton. I love you. Have a good night. Sleep well. I hope you do. Is this even playing right now? Yeah, I thought it wasn't playing. I was about to be like, oh, no, 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 no. I'll bust the cap on this trick. Oh, no, 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 no. I love you. Bye.